it, you're,
Citizens to be heard.
what is it you're going to do?
Speak under citizens to be heard.
She hadn't signed up.
I'm signed up.
She didn't sign up.
Well, she said she signed up. She doesn't have to be a citizen. Proceed.
So, first of all, I'm Kelly Rodriguez. I'm the city secretary. Some of you don't know my face. Some of you do now. Sorry. But this is me. I'm the city secretary. How many here? First of all, I want to quote Dr. Phil by saying, no matter how flat a pancake, there's always two sides of the pancake. So I'm just here to tell the other side. As a city secretary, I've been in a situation with a divided council. Divided. So as the city secretary, I have to rely on three things. There's three things I have to rely on. One of those is the charter. Thank you to the citizens who put this charter together and gave me this guidance to go by. Because when there is a divided council, I have to go by what the charter says. I have to. That's my Bible. That's the Windcrest Bible. That's the law. That's the authority. The other thing I has to go by is my training. My training, just so everybody knows what that is, I'm enrolled in the Texas Municipal Clerk Certification Program through the University of North Texas. And every year I have training materials, I have things I have to review. I go to seminars. Some of those seminars, I've meetings about Open Meetings Act and Public Information Act, records management. And the recent one I went to, I was super excited because it was on election law. And one of those classes was on recalls, referendums, and initiatives. In that class, they teach you that you have got to be neutral. You cannot choose sides. You have got to follow the charter to the letter of the law. Letter of the law. That's my training. That being said, the last thing that I have to rely on is that of legal advice. Legal advice. And that's where Mr. Brennan comes in. He's our city attorney, and I have to follow what he says. So, in this situation, and the last situation of the recalls, I relied on all three of these things. And in this situation, relying on these things, the certification, it was certified in a timely manner. It was certified within the 10 days, like it was supposed to be. I followed legal advice. I stand by what I did with my training and precedents that had been set before. So, am I expecting anybody here to not hate me? No. I'm not expecting that. Just wanted to flip that pancake. Just wanted to flip it. So that people know that there's another side. You don't have to eat it, but it's there. The other thing I want to say is that I will always remain neutral. I have nothing to gain. Absolutely nothing. And that's all I want to say. Thanks.